USDJPY buy setup, Forex strategy factory analysis, March 6, 2026. Today we are analyzing the USDJPY pair using my 2026 Chart Easy Reader strategy. Date of analysis, March 6, 2026. Let's start by identifying the trend direction. Using the Ichimoku scanner on the H4 timeframe, USDJPY is currently showing a B-zone signal, which indicates that the market trend is still bullish. According to the rules of this strategy, when a pair is in the B-zone, we only look for buy opportunities. Next, we confirm the trend using the moving averages and Bollinger Bands. On the chart, the 50 moving average is above the 100 moving average, and both are also above the 200 moving average. This alignment confirms that the overall market structure is still bullish and that buyers remain in control. The Bollinger Bands are also trending upward, which supports the continuation of the bullish trend. Now we move to the momentum confirmation. Looking at the lower momentum panel, the green line is still above the red line, which tells us that bullish momentum is still active in the market. When these three conditions align, the Ichimoku trend, moving average structure, and momentum confirmation, the strategy prepares for a buy setup. However, the strategy never buys at the top of the move. Instead, we wait for a pullback into a strong support zone before entering the trade. For this setup, the ideal entry zone is between 156.90 and 156.60. This zone aligns with support levels and allows us to enter the trade at a better price within the bullish trend. For proper risk management, the stop loss should be placed below the support structure at 155.90. This protects the trade if the market unexpectedly reverses. Now let's look at the profit targets. The first take profit target is 159.80, which is near the next resistance area. The second take profit target is 161.50, which represents the extended bullish move if momentum continues. So the full trade plan for this setup is pair USDJPY action, buy entry zone 156.90 to 156.60, stop loss 155.90, take profit 1, 159.80, take profit 2, 161.50. This setup follows the rules of the 2026 Chart Easy Reader strategy, which focuses on trading with the trend and entering during pullbacks instead of chasing price. If you want to learn this strategy step by step and get access to more trading insights, check the link in the description. And for more Forex chart analysis and trading setups, follow Forex Strategy Factory.